What is going, guys? So today I'm actually going to be relocating some things in my engine bay, and I kind of already started because legal was over and then decided to do it. And yeah, I already take it off. I already took off my velocity stacks on two sides, and normally the vacuum block that I have, this one, is normally right there on the firewall, but I'm going to be tucking it underneath the manifold itself, right underneath where the stack goes. So right underneath here. And then I'm gonna be running the lines, the brake booster line and everything like that over. And all I had to do was switch this one, which is for my map sensor, from this side over to this side, since it's gonna be facing this way. The map sensor is on the right side. I'm gonna trim some of these hoses. Now, running ITBs, a lot of people could run ITBs without using a vacuum setup, but it's more recommended. The idle's a lot more smoother and everything, so that's one reason why I run the vacuum lines from the little nipples underneath there and to the map sensor and to the brake booster, of course, with the check valve. When I first installed my ITBs, the thing I didn't do was I didn't get a check valve, so when the car turned off, there was no brakes. And you're supposed to get a check valve so it holds vacuum into the brake booster so you can have brakes if your car like suddenly dies and stuff. But this is off an EG. I think the integral ones is the same. EKs are different. They're inside the hose, so you can't really use it. And I'm gonna trim this side so it's not too long. This side I'm gonna leave. Also, on my ITBs, so I took my friend for a drive the other day, and the filters normally restrict a lot of power because, well, this is like, I just changed these to like this. Before, it was, so before, these filters were like this. I had one mesh, one of these, and then one of these, and then like that. This originally is for the filter. This is originally how they come when you buy it, and you could barely see through it. And this is what well, having them on all four, it restricted 21 horsepower when I got it dyno tuned. So now I took off 2 layers, and now I'm just running just this. And it's a lot better than having no protection. I'd rather have no rocks come in. And a lot of people wonder what these are. These are from a Volkswagen. These are, I think, 3-inch or, totally forgot. It's been a while since I actually installed the ITBs. And let me grab a tape measure. Damn it. Oh, they're a 3.5 inch. So I got 3.5 inch. And yeah, now you can see right through them. Before you couldn't. And the filters would block a lot of airflow, and my AFRs were like off, like all over the place. But ever since I took off those two and then drove the car again, the air-fuel ratio was just perfect. It was perfect where it should be when we got the car tuned, because when I got the car tuned and I drove the car home, I didn't have the filters on. And then I put the filters on when I got home, and the air-fuel was totally different because of the filters. But now I don't have the filters. So the wheels that I painted in the last video, the 6 wells, they finally dried up. Now they're not perfect because there was like some rust stains, but yeah, they just look like the spoon black ones, or spoon black. Faded black because anodized. They're normally anodized and then they fade and then they look like this. They're like dusty, ashy. But yep, I was going to my friend. I still need to mount those tires. And so yeah, I'm just gonna mount this up. I don't know if you can see that, but the vacuum box down there now is mounted right here. And then I already tried putting the stacks on and it clears. Now to just run the vacuum lines and that's it. At least you don't see it on the firewall anymore. The benefit about having no AC or power steering and a tucked radiator is you get to stand in your bay if you're small like me, and you can work on the motor from the bed.
Take 10 steps back till you get to where you're going. Just research where you're going. A t-shirt where it's snowing.
There we go, everything's back to normal. Trim the lines, made it kind of go like upwards because I didn't want it to pretty much kink the vacuum line down there, but it looks so much cleaner without having the vacuum block back there. And now the next thing to do, let's see, probably relocate that fuel filter and then do some little things here and there, and probably change out the engine mounts. I also need to get a coolant reservoir for this and put it right here. I was planning on buying a black one or aluminum and then paint it black and put it right here and run the hose right there instead of like all like that and just having it floating in there. Yeah, slowly but surely clean up the bay. The vacuum block's not there anymore though. It was cool seeing it though. At least you don't see all those vacuum lines anymore. Just another day. Brother is sealing his car. He's paint sealing it, and then we're gonna do mine right after. And yeah, just chilling. Also, heads up, I'm actually going up to Nemo's garage tomorrow to actually pick up my rear bumper, so I'm excited for that because that's literally the missing piece for all that. So the rear bumper is finally in from C-West Japan, and woo, I'm excited. So, but for today, we're just chilling in the garage. My friend needs to pick those 60 wells up because they're not mine. They're already painted. Oh shoot. But yeah, just a little update today. So we just finished applying paint on this. It's all done now. It's in our brother's car. Now I think he's putting his front plate back on in the right spot. But for now, just chilling. Nothing else to do today. I think my brother wants to wax his wheel. I don't know if you guys want to see a tutorial on that. He did buy this thing called Max Coat by Chemical Guys, Wheel Guard. So it's like, what, gel or paste?
Something like that.
Yeah, so it's like gel or paste or whatever. It looks like it's a bit like gel. When you apply your wheels, thing is you can't use these. You cannot use these on my wheels because they're not really like powder coated. They're anodized, so this coating will not work. It's kind of sad, but we'll see if my brother wants to do it today. But I don't think he's going to.
Put it on data.
Put it on data player thing. I mean, you can. You don't even have Honda yet. We take it the K Pro for the K.
Wait, the K Pro is not the same as Honda?
Honda's K Pro, or K Pro Honda. Yeah, super smooth. This feels a lot better than the wax.
Yeah.
Ooh, boy.
How much is that? Yeah.
Feels dirty. Ooh, look at all that dirt coming away.
Ooh. I'm gonna compare this to this one. Different guys.
Oh, that one? Okay. We're using my Chemical Guys degreaser on it right now.
Guys, orange degreaser.
Hopefully it works. Let's see.
Ow! There's still stuck dirt on there.
Oh yeah, you kind of have to like rub it in.
Oh, I got a brush, forgot. Hold on.
It's cool. I like how the wheels are slightly a different color. Let me guys can see that. Mercury silver? I don't know what grade that is.
Right here. Here's my brush.
Hey fool, where you going? Where you going, huh? Where you going? Say what's up. Sit up. Say what's up, young Loki. What's up, young? It's good, homie. How's your day going? Alright. Bro's about to apply the paint sealant or the wax, wheel wax. Damn.
There's no instructions.
No instructions?
Oh well, fuck it.
Don't put that much then.
No, I'm just put a dab. Like that. Oh, it doesn't come out green, it's clear.
I was like, well, there's like clear coat or something.
A little bit of clear coat.
So you just put it on, do you wipe it or just leave it?
Wipe it, you let it haze, and then wipe it. I don't know about this product, Tommy.
You don't know? Yeah, we've been off and on about Chemical Guys.
It looks dry.
I don't know, I still see a little green, but that's it, right there. But I don't know if that even works.
I don't know either.
You better just wash it. Yeah, the same thing, it's probably the same thing as this thing.
Yeah, you're right. I just wash it. I don't know about this shit.
Does that even work? I feel like me using that is gonna stain the wheels.
Yeah, it will stain your wheels. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see.
I'll just throw it away. Just kidding. Or just manually, or just paint the flat black like these. You know, nothing to worry about.
Damn, it looks fucking dark.
What are you talking about? That's pretty nice. Seeing the spoon black. Here's a better look at it in the daytime. Well, not really. So normally, well, minus that little hole that I think the previous owner drilled for alarm. It used to be bolted right there. Now just behind there, you can see a lot better. But yeah, this is just a short little video, and I think that's it for this video. So sorry if the videos are slightly shorter. This is because I'm uploading more frequently now. Normally I'll gather a bunch of clips and throw it in like every 3-4 days and upload it. But since I'm uploading every 2 days, hope you guys enjoy it more, because more content, of course. And yeah, that's all I'm doing for now, and just buying and flipping parts and everything like that. So don't let us, just keep building. Stay tuned for the next upcoming content, and a lot more coming your guys' way. And yeah, just have a nice day, everybody. It's a Saturday, so just gotta sit down and edit. So peace out.